Dear students, so this is the fourth problem we are going to solve for inventory models. The annual demand for an item is 3200 units. The unit cost is rupees 6 and inventory carrying charges 25% per annum. If the cost of one procurement is rupees 150, determine the economic order quantity, time between two consecutive orders, number of orders per year and the optimal total cost. So in the problem statement, there is no data about the shortage cost as well as production rate. So this problem comes under the purchasing model with shortages not allowed category, that is inventory model 1. So the data given in the problem are the annual demand for the item, capital R is 3200 units per year, unit cost of the item is rupees 6, holding cost, that is C1, as 25% of the unit price of the product. So unit price of the product is rupees 6. So C1 is 25% of 6, that is rupees 1.5 per unit per year. Setup cost C3 is rupees 150. So it has to find out the economic order quantity Q star. Then optimal time between placing two consecutive orders T star. Then optimal numbers of orders to be placed per year N star, and the total optimal cost including the capital cost. So this is purchasing model with shortages not allowed category problem. Corresponding economic order quantity Q star formula is root 2 C3R by C1. So the value can be obtained as 800 units per order. Then we can calculate the optimal time between placing two consecutive orders T star using this formula Q star by R. So the value is 3 months. Then the third subdivision, optimal number of orders to be placed per year capital N star, that is 1 by T star. So the value is 4 orders per year. And to calculate the total optimal cost per annum, we can use this formula, demand for the item per year into unit price of the item plus optimal inventory carrying cost C star. For the first model, C star formula is root of 2 C1 C3R. So by substituting the values, we can get the value of total optimal cost per annum as rupees 20,400.